Hi, besties. Good evening. Yeah, the time now is 4:29, so it's evening. How are you guys doing, besties? How are you guys doing? Happy Sunday, by the way. Today is Sunday. Hope you went to church, because I did, and I'm back. And I've rested. I've had my lunch, and I'm outside right now, but nothing serious. I'm just going to like run few errands. I'm going to like get I'm going to a particular supermarket to get water for the kids, by dispenser water and also bottled water. I'll also be getting like some soft drink and beer, just few to like top up to the ones I have in my fridge already. That's basically it, and I'll be stopping by to also pick my clothes. My tailor called that my clothes is ready, that I should be traveling tomorrow. Tomorrow is Monday, so she'll be traveling. So I need to like pick my clothes today. She stays somewhere around. I'm just gonna give her a call now. So to pick my clothes. So that's just basically what I'll be happening in this vlog today. I said like pick up the camera to say hello. How you guys been? And it's been a minute since I last spoke with you guys, or since you guys last saw my face. It's been a minute, and I said okay, let me pick the vlog from here since I'm going out, and nothing serious, just to run family errands and get one or two stuffs out there. That's basically what's happening. And I'm in the car. I'm actually driving, as you can see. So I'll just quickly stop by to pick my clothes before I proceed to get the water from the supermarket and pick the other things. I also need to like get fruits. Yes, that reminds me. I need to like get fruit. Nothing, not too much. Just apple and pawpaw. Those two. I have pineapple at home. I have watermelon at home. So I'm gonna get some apple. Either I get the apple from this supermarket, maybe Spar market. Yeah, I think that's what's gonna happen. Then I also get pawpaw. Hopefully I see the pawpaw. So that's just basically it. And maybe some oranges as well. So let's head out, okay? Talk to you guys later. Honey, happy Sunday. Sorry, I will not test it. If any problem, I will maybe you come back.
There is many material.
Material plenty be that too.
It remains just small.
No, job is exactly my style.
Now.
Eh.
Or you want to take, bring it out now so that I take.
No, when I reach home, I'm going out. I'm late. I will send it for you. It's okay. When I come back, I have your account number. Thank you. Bye.
When you test it, you don't give me the feedback.
Yes.
I pray to.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. So, besties, we are done shopping. We are done getting the necessary items we want to get today. So, I'm done and I'm on my way home. Just enter the car now. So, let's head home, okay? When we get home, we'll talk much better. Besties, look at my outfit. Can you imagine what I wore outside? The heat is damn much. You are in heat season. These days, even if you are sleeping, you are with your fan, you are with your AC, the heat is just too much. Seriously. So, besties, I'm back. I just came back and I decided to let me quickly show you guys all what I got from the supermarket and also the spa mall. Okay, that these are all the things I got today, including my clothes I collected from my tailor. You saw when I collected it from her. I'm gonna show you everything. So let's quickly do this. I got kitchen towel. I got this kitchen towel. How much? I think 1,006. Here's the receipt. I think I have the receipt here. Yeah, I've seen the receipt. I was kind of looking for it. Yeah, I have two receipts because I went to two different stores. Let's go with this. I got this kitchen roll. This is my invoice. I got this kitchen roll, 1,470. That's how much I got this. Next, I got this. I'll be using the two receipts. I got this baking soap and I got it for 650. I got my Dove soap and I got it for 1,600. And I got this dustbin leather for 1,250. This for this. I got bread. I got this bread. It's called Gilfield. Gilfield bread slice. 1 9. Trust me, the first time I had a taste of this bread, I fell in love with it. Hubby fell in love with it. The kids fell in love with it. It's so delicious. This is the bread. See, Gilfield. I got it for 1,900. Next, I got dispenser. Yeah, one dispenser water. I got it for 1,200, and I got Aquafina, 2 packs of Aquafina, and I got a pack for 2,004. So I got 24. That's 2 packs for 4,800. So this is my receipt here. Next will be this one. I got fruits for the kids as well. Is it called imported orange? This. I got this for 3,685 naira. It's written there. And I got red apple for 3,468 naira. That's how much I got this red apple. And I got grapes. I got these grapes for 3,078 naira. Let me show you how it is. I don't know that you can actually get a particular size and weigh it and go with it. So I saw it today. I said to get it for the kids. Just this. I got it for 3,078 naira. Fruits are really expensive. Just these three fruits now, I'm spending 12,000. Just this apple, imported orange, and the grape. That's it for that. I got candy for the kids. I got this buttermint for 1,110 naira, and I got the other chocolate for 1,560. Yeah, the kids. I got it for the kids. Normally use it for their homework, for their assignment. Hobby normally give it to them when they are done with their assignment alongside chin chin. But I didn't get chin chin because they still have chin chin remains. So I don't like to stock up on this because it's completely out. So I got soft drinks and I got palm wine. I got this premium palm wine. I've been a fan of it for the longest. I just got one piece and I got it for 730 naira. I got this Fanta for 480 naira. I got two of these. I also got Henneken. I got Guinness as well. I got two Guinness as well. I got it at 1,230 naira. I got Henneken for 770 naira. I got two of that and I also got Sprite. I got the Sprite for 480 and I got five. So these are the things I got and I spent roughly 31,000 plus on it. I don't pay 32,000 just for this. So this is my clothes I got from her. I told her I'm going to try it or check it and let her know. This is it. This is my outfit that she made for me. Nothing much. I think I love the hand. So this is just what she made. She made for me. You can see it. So later I'm going to like try it and when I do I will give her the feedback. So and I also have the material is still remaining. I imagine. I really imagine it's still remaining. Anyway, just for this front, the other hand. Something simple. When I told you that my clothes are coming one by one, look at it's still remaining. It's still a lot. It's still a lot. But this is to make something else. Look at it's still a lot. That's nice. That's really, really nice. So these are what I got today or all the things I got today. So besties, thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like the video, share, comment, drop me your comments and please if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and be part of this family. We would love to have you here. I'm tired. I'm I'm exhausted. So besties, thank you so much for watching and I really hope to see you all in my next video. Please stay safe. Bye.
I thought you would find